our order is here. Let's eat. Kain na tayo, guys. Kain. Siyempre, yung rice dito. Dito yan sa ano ko, tabi. Ang ating lunch, guys. Tikman natin yung soup nila. I think this is a miso soup with tofu, seaweed, and sarap guys yung soup. Oh, yours is coming. Wrap is coming, guys. So thank you. Wow, we look yummy, guys. Parang wrap. O, tingnan nyo. Koy, zarap.
So,
wait lang, ha.